Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So here we are in front of my house, and we got quite a bit of heavy snow and ice. I would say somewhere about 5 to 6 inches, and everything is like snow-packed, heavy, wet snow. So this is what it's looking like. One of my sons and I are trying to dig our cars out and make a walkway here. After we dig the cars out, then we have to work our way to the rest of the length of the driveway. But this is where we're at right now. Okay, this is the end of the driveway after shoveling so much icy packed snow. And this neighbor right here, which is brand new with that tractor, came and saved the day and cleared all this up for me. Oh my goodness, my sons and I are so tired. This is how long the driveway is, and there's the house at the end. Yes, we get hit with these storms. Some winters are a little bit better than others, but thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for answering my prayers.